Hello sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
First sir, I would like to thank you for scheduling a time for this interview. This is a really College Dunia team will appreciate.
Yes.
Okay, and for this interview, we will start with some questionnaire first.
Sure.
Related to your specific college and university,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Firstly, sir, you have held a key position at education institutes throughout your professional career.
Correct.
And what keeps you connected with the education sector, and how was your overall experience so far with the institute?
Yes. Let me tell you, I have been in this education system since more than 34 years. And I have worked in the various institutes pertaining to imparting the technical education to the students. And the position of the head of the institute is a key position because the policies, whatever are designed, whatever the curriculum is designed, syllabus is designed, it is greatly and deeply impacting on the career of the students or the future of the students. So my experience in this case is very charming, very energetic. And one thing is that we learn many things from the students, and that thing we try to incorporate into our policies and in our education system. Thank you.
Okay, great, sir. Sir, being the principal of Imperial College of Engineering and Research, what is your philosophy of leadership? Like, how would you describe yourself as a principal?
I take here Swami Vivekananda as my guru in education.
Okay.
What he has said, that is the real education which will make a student to stand on their own feet. And second important thing is which education will solve your real-time problems in your life. So that is the real education, and that's why we are striving hard so that the student should become competent, should become eligible to solve their own problems. Because engineering is not only concerned with the bookish knowledge or answering the questions and the solutions, but he or she has also to take out the real problems. And in my tenure, I have seen that yes, many students are very good enough, they are very capable, and they are doing these things, and they are taking this initiative, and they are solving the problems in technology, making different types of projects, handling different types of internships, going into the industry, taking the problems of the industry, solving it. And engineering, not they are only applying to the study, but they are also applying in their own life. They are becoming managers, they are becoming also successful engineers.
Sir, very inspirational thoughts shared by Swami Vivekananda, as you mentioned. That's great to hear. Sir, how do you strategize about the key programs of your institute?
That is a very good question. You know, the world is changing. It is said that the only thing constant in the world is the change. Every time, every second, you will find the change. And these changes are to be incorporated in our education. These changes are in different platforms. These are the changes in technology, these are changes in work culture, these changes are in the ethics, and so on. And when we are always keeping an eye on what technology is there, what corporates, companies, big companies like MNCs, Microsoft, Google, Value, all these companies are doing, we are interacting with them, and we are trying to see that our student is a customer and they are our takers. So we see that our customer will be equipped with the knowledge that will be absorbed by the industry. So we have mainly 4 streams in which we are working. One is the mechanical engineering, which is the core branch. Another is the civil engineering, which is also very important, and there is no dearth to the civil engineering students in future also. And the latest coming up branches are electronics and telecommunication and computer engineering. No doubt these are growing at a very higher space. We are also incorporating the computer or the software programs in mechanical and civil also, because the software or computer is an indispensable part of our life. It will conquer all our world, and hence our education is based on the latest technologies such as data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, Internet of Things, augmented reality, Industry 4.0, smart manufacturing, and so on.
Much informative, sir. Sir, any insights into how Imperial College of Engineering and Research could be more welcoming to the students from different races or economic backgrounds?
Sir, I would like to tell you that our founder secretary, Dr. T.J. Sawant sir, he is a basically engineer, and he graduated, and he is also a PhD holder. When he graduated, he thought that the students in the rural area, they have potential, they are scholar, they are intelligent, but they could not study only because they don't have the money. But does it mean that the poor student should not study? So keeping this vision in his mind, he has started the various institutes in 2000, starting from Rajarshi Sahu College of Engineering. And at present, we have more than 70,000 students taking education in different 78 institutes. And as you said, that our students are very poor, they are from rural area. You will find that most of the parents, they are rickshaw drivers, they are laborers, they are farmers, where money will come from them. So as a trust, the trust is also offering few scholarships, and also we have the different scholarship schemes by the government. We make it very operative, and we see that the student will not suffer because he or she does not have the money. Because education is our prime motto, and that is the concentration on which we have focused it. Thank you.
Okay. Sir, would you like to put some light on about you are about to become a university in a few days, in a few years itself?
Yes, that is a good thing. As I told you that the education is changing, the scenario is changing. In the present scenario, we have national education policy, in the NIRF. So such things are coming up and the systems are changing. So we are also in this flow. And recently, JSPM University will be incepted in this campus from June 2023. This will give us ample opportunities for the students, staff members, and institute also, because we will get the freedom of incorporating various courses. Those are very important, and those are very useful for the industries. We are going to incorporate industry people into that. We will have more sponsor projects, research labs, foreign students, foreign collaborations. That is the look at of the industry and the institute that will change totally. And yes, very soon we will become one of the leader in the education as JSPM University Pune.
Great to hear that, sir. Sure, it will be.
Thank you.
Sir, what are some biggest challenges you see both for higher education and for Imperial College of Engineering as well?
Yes, I will say that the greatest strength of our JSPM's Imperial College of Engineering is our trust, which is always supporting us. And the second point I would like to mention is our faculty members. At present, we have good, reputed, experienced, and well-educated faculty members for all the departments. They are constantly guiding the students. And I will say a very one unique structure that is called as the mentoringship. So mentoring the students is one of our USP, you can say. For every 20 students, one guardian faculty member is assigned, and he takes care of the students' all activities regarding financial problem, relationship problems, study problems, and so on. Just like he is the students' local guardian here. And this is one of the most important things. Our faculty members are striving hard for that. And we see that now in the today's world of the internet, the students are diverted through the internet, WhatsApp and all these things. But our approach is to teach the students through the internet only, or through the mobile phone only. That is called as a blended learning or mixed mode of learning. That is our next step we are going to incorporate into this.
Very nice to see. Sir, what is the greatest strengths of Imperial College of Engineering in terms of infrastructure, in terms of faculties, in terms of placements, in terms of other extracurricular activities?
Yes, I will say that the first thing is that our trust is totally supporting us, giving all the type of facilities there. And if you see the infrastructure here, a very green, lush campus, which is a very beautifully landscaped campus is there. All infrastructure including classrooms, laboratories, and all facilities are available in abundant with us. The second thing, as I told, that the staff members is the biggest strength of our institute. We have a totally enriched staff members with experience, with research capabilities, and taking care of the students. That is, we are incorporating. And in order to make them more competent, we are organizing the best training programs in India or in the world, you can say. And as a result of this, we got 100% placement for computer and electronics and telecommunication. And the students from civil and mechanical also, they have got also placement more than 80%. The success Because and most of the students, I am very proud to say that most of the students are in our international levels in abroad at the different respected reputed positions. And not only that, but for civil engineering students, many of them are now in the biggest position in the government also. They have also passed the MPSC and UPSC examinations. So depending on the students' interest, we are giving them each and everything which is required for them, and we are proud of each and every student who is graduated from here, because we are happy, we are proud that we are inputting some value into it. That's it.
Yes, sir. You should be proud because they are presenting your college at a
Right.
global scale itself.
Right. Yes.
Sir, what are some upcoming plans that you are currently designing for the Imperial College of Engineering or student itself?
That's very good. We are always making survey of what is going on in the industry, what is the industry trend, what is the research laboratories trend, and we try to incorporate in that. So we have decided that the JSPM University will be incepted from June 2023, and in this institute, or can say industry, there will be different programs which are run by the industry. It will be artificial intelligence, data science, and we will have a unique scheme that is called as a multiple entry, multiple exit. For example, if sometimes students after first year they take a drop and they go out of the stream, but we offer them certificate program. If a student get an exit after 2 years, then we offer them diploma programs, and so on. That means every student who will learn here will get some value addition into it, and these courses will be of the industry standards and of the global standards, so that the students will be very much competent, very much capable, that he will be absorbed in Google, Microsoft, and Amazon, all these companies. That is our motive. Not only this thing, but some students want to become a businessman. They want to have their own startup. That provision also we have provided in our university syllabus. Also, we have taken the due care that various competitions are organized, such as Smart India Hackathon competition organized by MHRD. So we have a plan of making the students competent to take part and to win the prizes in these competitions also. These are about our future plans. So this will be one of the biggest and the greatest university imparting the higher level technical education, fulfilling all the requirements of the industry, stakeholders, corporate world, and nation also. Yes.
Okay, great, sir. Sir, as Pune is known for education facilities itself in world known, so any particular message or thoughts you want to give students who are seeking admission for engineering in Pune itself?
That is a very good question. I will say that Pune is the most ideal city. It is good for education, also ambience, also environment, also facilities, and lifestyle too. What are the new things are there in the world that also come to the Pune University first time? So students have attraction for the Pune University, and if you compare all the cities in the India, you will find that most of the all types of educational complexes, universities, autonomous institutes, engineering colleges, pharmacy colleges, these are abundant in Pune, and not only abundant, but they are also of good quality, which are equal to the world standard. So I think the Pune as the dream destination for learning for all the students. So I welcome all the students to come to Pune and to join the various institutes, and not only for learning, but also they can earn more as per their dreams.
Sir, anything you want to tell about the students, about our college to the students they may not know?
Yes, we at the Imperial College of Engineering and Research, we take all care of the students. We do not only produce the engineers which are getting good marks in the examinations or they are getting certificates, but we also see that how 360-degree development of his or her personality will be there. That is, good engineer is also good manager. He should also be able to manage the events. He should also be able to manage the conflicts. He should also be able to learn on the different technologies. He should have his own research attitude. He should invent something. He should design a product. He should become a businessman. He should become an entrepreneurship. So, depending on the interest of the students, we give them different channels, and the students will give whatever they want. And I will say that again, what I will say, Swami Vivekananda has said The education should solve their real life problems, one thing, and secondly, they should able to make them confident and standing on their own feet. So these both things we are implementing, and these are, we can say, USP of our JSPM's Imperial College of Engineering and Research. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I think we have done up with our interview.
Thank
I
you.
would really like to thank you for giving us the time, and College Dunia team will really excited to getting you on board as a respected
Yes.
partner for ourselves as well.
Yeah, that is great. I wish you all the best for all the students, those who are coming to Pune. Make it your dream destination for learning and earning also. With all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.